How will my retirement or my spouse's retirement affect my Chicago, Illinois divorce? Retirement can change both income and assets, which can reshape the financial outcome of a Chicago divorce. Illinois divorce law does not specifically focus on retirement, but courts apply existing statutes and case law to retirement-related issues in divorce. The two main financial issues in an Illinois divorce are the parties' assets and the parties' incomes. When either spouse retires or prepares for retirement, income may decrease and assets may begin to be drawn down. In Illinois, marital assets are divided equitably, and income may be used to determine whether one spouse should pay maintenance to the other. A retirement can affect maintenance because courts consider the needs of both parties, the marital standard of living, each party's income and property, debt obligations, the duration of the marriage, age, health, employment capability, and tax consequences. A spouse who is retired or nearing retirement may be viewed differently by the court because retirement can change many of those maintenance factors at once. A retiring spouse who is over 65 is typically not expected to keep working just to maintain a prior earning level. That can matter if one spouse is asking the court to continue or change maintenance after a retirement. Retirement assets may still generate income, but those assets may already have been equally divided between the spouses. If both spouses receive a fair share of income-producing assets, that may reduce the chance that one spouse qualifies for maintenance. When either party retires, either party may file a motion to modify maintenance based on a substantial change in circumstances. Whether retirement justifies modifying maintenance depends on the specific facts of the case, including age, health, motives, timing, ability to pay, and the former spouse's ability to provide for herself. That means a spouse who retires may ask to pay less maintenance. It also means a spouse who receives maintenance may ask for more support after retirement. Most maintenance awards are not permanent and end on the statutory date even if support is still needed. Permanent maintenance is different because the recipient may be entitled to maintain the marital standard of living if the paying spouse has sufficient assets. Social Security can also become an issue when retirement affects support obligations. If the retiree is receiving maintenance, Social Security benefits may be used to reduce the maintenance obligation. If the retiree is paying maintenance, Social Security benefits may be used to increase the maintenance obligation. Some judges may question whether Social Security counts as income because it may not be taxable, and that issue remains unresolved by the Illinois Appellate or Supreme Courts as described on the page. What is clear is that federal law does not allow someone else's Social Security benefits to be garnished. The page also explains that if you were married to a high-earning spouse for more than 10 years, your own Social Security may be augmented by that spouse's earnings. An experienced lawyer or attorney can help present the facts and numbers clearly so the court can enter the fairest judgment possible, and the page stresses that the law is applied with care to all parties in Cook County. Some people over 70 may also ask for trial preference so their case can be heard sooner, which may matter in a retirement-related divorce handled by a lawyer, an attorney, or a law firm. For guidance on how retirement may affect your divorce, contact the law office of Russell D. Knight, a law firm, at 773-334-6311, located at 1165 North Clark Street, number 700, Chicago, Illinois, 60610, United States.